I would say it's not as bad as it looks, but it kind of really is. We had to make sure that we had all the categories covered. Skims, Fendi, shapewear and bodysuits, activewear and swimwear, and the ready-to-wear high-end designer clothing pieces. To find out, was it worth the price? I genuinely do not know why this bottom box is so big, but we're about to find out. So Skims, the shapewear, underwear, loungewear brand by Kim Kardashian, collaborated with Fendi, a very high-end Italian luxury brand. Ooh, look at the purple packaging. It's beautiful. Logo. This is not sponsored. P.S. I have something for you too, so stick around. Oh my gosh, look at this. Can you imagine if you went shopping and then went walking around the mall with this thing? Good job on the purple though. Dang.
It's like a cereal box, it's half empty.
So pretty much everything came in sizes extra small to 4XL. Some of the dresses were just 00 to 16 though. All right, I think all of these are the shapewear and bodysuits. Ooh, the tights. I've been wanting some cute logo-y tights for like the winter anyway. The matching. Why do they all look like this? A bra for ants. Tights. $215 worth of them. Listen, I'm more like a $5 tights kind of person. Like for example, last week I bought these on Amazon, super cute, little sparkly. They violently ripped the first night that I wore them. Started as a small hole in the crotch, by the end of the night, complete blowout. So spending $115 on tights is not something I ever saw myself doing, but here we are. I will say the quality is slightly nicer than the $5 or $10 tights that I'm used to, but you're obviously just paying for the branding. I do like them. I hope that I get a few wears out of them before I subject them to the fate of my last pair of tights that I bought. This little top is interesting though. It's just literally this, a sports bra made out of tights. And I'm not entirely sure of the purpose behind it. I think I mostly just wanted it because Kim looked really cute in this whole set, but keep, return. And the shorts. Lee, this would fit you. Look at the cheeks, I'm dying.
Is cheeks supposed to like poke out through there or what?
Yeah, that's the point, is that it like squishes everything and then lets your cheeks just flow.
Pants for ants.
Oh my gosh, they're crotchless. I thought I ripped them, but no, this is how they're supposed to be. Oh, and they fit. I mean, I know that they stretch to fit, but it throws me off every time I buy shapewear, which isn't very often. I'm not really much of a shapewear person. I don't wear clothes that like, this is what I look like most of the time. We don't need shapewear under that. I mean, these are nice. Oh no, and the waistband is rolling. Like that kind of defeats the purpose of shapewear to me when it doesn't like stay where it's supposed to. See that? Not cute. It even has like a little silicone lining on the inside that I think is supposed to prevent that. I want to like Skims shapewear so bad because I know some people like swear by it, but yeah, they're just not doing much for me.
Oh my gosh.
Why does it remind me of those little aliens from Men in Black? The top looks and feels great. This bottom, it just wants to roll up until it gets to this point. I don't like that. I feel like I'm just doing shapewear wrong somehow. I don't get it. I don't get what it's supposed to be doing. This was $120 and I don't feel $120 worth more confident. So I think I just give up on shapewear, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be more like a 3D logo, but it's just a print. These are reselling for $400.
What?
Yeah. I mean, this material is gonna be comfy. Very like legging, athletic-y feeling. Okay, this is more my speed, more my style. This is cute. I feel like it hits at a little bit better place on the hip. It's not as stretchy as I hoped it would be. Still pretty comfy though, pretty lightweight. This was $175. I actually thought that they would charge more for this. I'm normally not one for like branding, logoing all over, but I think this is kind of cool. I actually got this skirt from Zara because I thought together it would make for a cute little holiday outfit. I don't know, do the reds clash? Let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, I love this one. It was expensive. $325, but I like it. I like it better than the red one. It's so comfortable. It's like I'm just wearing one giant legging all over my whole body. I love it in the signature Skims Fendi purple. Has the same logoing all over the whole thing. I'm gonna have to figure out how to style this though. Like, it needs something because it's a lot just on its own. I might end up just keeping this one and not keeping the red one. I don't know yet. It has a zipper on the back. I think that's part of why I like it better than the red one. I'm not a fan of the crotch snaps. I could sleep, I could work out, I could go to dinner. You can do it all in this thing. I told you I got something for you as well. It's not Skims Fendi because like you're kind of hard to shop for. I don't know what size of clothes you wear, but it is Fendi. I actually got this used from the RealReal, but it's so, I'm so excited. Not sponsored by RealReal, by the way. It's gonna come in this cute packaging. When we hit 900,000 subscribers, which we are so close, I'm going to choose one of you to receive this beautiful Fendi bag. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and at 900,000, I'm gonna pick one of you. It's black with some tan stitching throughout, so it is going to go with anything you own. Okay, back to the video. Oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness. Quality. These look a little small though. I don't
think you think that looks small.
The struggle that I went through to get here, this was so hard to get over my head for some reason. But now that it's on, I love it. It's a very like sporty, functional rash guard. That's the word that I was looking for. It has a little reflective logo on the front that you can barely see until like the light hits it, you know? Boom. So this all came together as a set, which I don't love that because I had to just select the same size for everything. And I like how the top fits, but I wish I could have got a bigger size at the bottom. Although they are reversible. I don't know, I might return it and try to size up all together if possible. Could you probably find something for less than $500 somewhere else though? Yeah. Okay, the other thing I got is technically a swim short, but just looking at them, I thought maybe they could be worn as an activewear short or a casual wear short as well. The shorts, ooh, I like this color even more than I thought I would. Look how good it looks with this that I'm wearing. Okay, yeah. Wow, like I don't see myself going swimming in these necessarily. Definitely see wearing them as an activewear short. Gosh, these were $320. I didn't realize. I was in love with them until I realized that's how much I paid for them. Would I regret it if I returned them? I'm gonna keep them. They do have a front seam, but it's pretty flat lying. And then I like the seam here that goes up and around. Oh, the leggings, I'm so excited. They're definitely more like a loungy. Wow, they feel amazing. They look tiny though. Why is everything like this? Like my waist is supposed to fit in that. They feel great, but $1,000 great? I don't know. All right, wish me luck getting these on. They're pretty stretchy and soft though. Oh my gosh, this material. It's incredible. Okay. Please go on. Okay, yeah, these are a lot stretchier than I thought they would be. I was honestly really hoping that I would not like them so that I would send them back, but I don't think I've ever owned something like this that is both super stretchy but velvety at the same time. And then they have a cute little rib detailing down the side. Oh man, I gotta go dupe hunting for something that is a fabric like this because $1,100 is just so much. Oh no, if I already feel this way about the leggings, this last item, I'm doomed. There's no way I'm gonna be able to return it. As comfy as these are, they're just so much money. Most expensive from the whole haul. Wow. Oh, I was really hoping that I would hate it. Oh my gosh. This is the dress I've been waiting for my entire life. It's so comfortable. This velvet knit. Oh, it's just gonna be so perfect and warm for winter. And oh, it's so flattering. What did I do? This was $1,750. Listen, a lot of items that are in that price point, I would say it's not worth it. You can find something similar, but this dress. And can you see like the stitch contour detailing on the top? Yes, this is my holiday dress for every holiday of the rest of my life, which means I'm not allowed to change sizes ever. I have to say, most of this I was a little bit underwhelmed, had me questioning my financial decisions, but this dress, it's really nice. Listen, you might judge me for this,
but I love it.
Thank you so much for watching. Leo and I picked out some other videos down below that we thought you might enjoy, and we will see you guys in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.